One of my favorites was one where it says, "I've got your back." I also did like the sarcasm is strong in this one, and Netflix and Nutella naps. I'm all about that. Those were super cute, super funny. This hard candy makeup was one of my favorites. I also did notice a bunch of new additions added for your nails. There was nail filers and nail prints as well. And of course they have the cuticle cutters. One thing I did notice was these new wooden brushes. That's something I've never seen before, but I do prefer the black hair brushes over those due to the fact that those actually detangle my hair. There's also these new window films that you could add on to your window. I did mainly get the flower print because I preferred that one. You mainly just put it there and you don't have to worry about people really looking into your home. It just basically covers it out and you could still have the sunlight coming into your home, and those are the prints as well. I did notice that there was plenty of posters, like if you're a teacher, they basically have these they look like a pretty good size posters there, and they do have like the instructions on it that you could just decorate your classroom with. I thought that was really neat. There was a bunch of these in that section. There was the animal world. There's also like space books, and they all, if you open them up, they all had facts in there, and all of that was literally just for $1, and they had lots of varieties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and comment down below if you want to continue seeing more videos like this.